Hiya. Today I'm really pleased to bring to the market Woolwich Road in Upper Abbey Wood. Brilliant location. I really like it up here. It's top of the hill. Where it's situated, you've got a bit of greenery in front of it. So I think it creates quite a safe environment. The house itself, really well looked after, a brilliant size. It's had the chimney breast taken out, so it creates so much more space. Good sized bedrooms and a nice big through lounge downstairs. At the back of the garden, there's a summer house plus a garage. I think it's going to make an ideal family home. It already does. The couple that live here have been there for about 10 years, I think they said, and time for them to move on down the coast and time for the property to have a new owner. Take a look at the video. If you like what you see, get in touch.